Hey y'all, welcome to another edition of Wash Rat Academy. We've been getting some letters and messages on our videos and everything about people complaining about some stuff. So our lawyer tells us that we gotta come and tell you guys about safety and how to do it right. So today, me and my cousin brother Clem, we're gonna go over proper ways to use safety gear when you're pressure washing. Super important to protect your eyes. Gotta keep those peepers crystal clear. So what I like to do is I wear this protection right here, and not only does it look good, but it protects my eyes while I'm working, and also when I go down to the river to go a noodle. But my cousin brother Clem, he'll actually go with a more robust solution. I'm gonna start it up, and you show them how it's done. Clem, down, over there, to the side, whoa! Stop! A lot of power washers like to wear gloves, protect their hands from the wear and tear, also from the chemicals sometimes. So I went in my gym bag, Clem went over to Meemaw's, and this is what we came up with. I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself and operate your... I can't get my hand in the trigger guard there. Man, see if you can get your mitten in. Don't forget, we got 3 rules at Wash Rat Academy. 1, look good. 2, have fun. And C, safety. That's why it's important to have super good looking, sexy gear that protects you just like this on your feet. Can your footwear do this? Pull! Damn, that was fun. Now Clem, on the other hand, he goes for a little more protection with the cowboy boot. He remembers the great flip-flop accident a couple years ago, but luckily, he's still got his toes. Super important when you're pressure washing. Is it boxers or briefs? Show them, Clem.
Don't be a wash rat. Learn from the real pros at Powerwash.com and Powerwash Academy.